What's up, it's Maritza. Welcome back to my channel. For today's Halloween look, we have this dark bird inspired makeup right here. So if you want to see how I got this look, keep watching and I hope you enjoyed this video. So I'm starting out by taking a white foundation. This is the LA Girl Pro Coverage Foundation. I'm just using the white shade and blending that all over my face with a damp beauty sponge. And then I'm taking some black eyeshadow and I am contouring my nose. I'm gonna be making my nose nice and pointy to look kind of like a beak. And then I'm bringing that eyeshadow on my eye area all the way up to my eyebrows and blending it out on the outer corners. And then I'm taking some silver shimmer and packing that on my eyelids using my fingers. And then I deepen up in the crease with the black again, and I also put black in my lash line as well. And then taking some black body paint from Mayron Makeup, I am placing where I want my cheekbones to be, and then I'm doing little squiggly lines coming down from that line. And then I'm also doing little squiggly crooked lines coming down from my eyes as well. I fill in my lips using the same black paint. And then I'm taking some Spirit Gum, which is a skin adhesive, and then I'm putting that down where I want my feathers to be. So I'm placing the Spirit Gum and then sticking down the feathers. I got the feathers from Hobby Lobby. You can get them like basically any craft store, I believe, and they come in different colors as well. And then I'm taking some black eyeliner and I am putting some liner on the inner corners of my eyes and on my top lash line. And I'm also lining my waterline with some black as well. For the chest, I kept it simple. I'm just using some black paint and I am painting some black streaks coming down my neck. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed this look and the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more Halloween tutorials. If you do decide to recreate any of my looks, please tag me on Instagram so I could see it and I'll like it. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!